me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me. I can't get enough. We got the future burning the past.
Welcome to back my channel. Lagi bersama saya Bunda Jiplak. Gue sekarang mau nge-expose lagi tempat-tempat ya. Oke, kita next.
If you fall, I won't be there. Let's light up like the moon. Yeah, we take it off, make it even brighter. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. Tell me what you gonna do. Know that I want you, you know that I need. That's what I like about you. Hey,
Orang saya
when you put me in the mood. Hey, that's what I like about you. That's what I like about you.
dan biasanya tempat ini suka dipakai trial. Kebetulan ini udah hujan, jadi spotnya bagus banget buat para kalian kalau mau kita foto-foto di sini, foto wedding. Ini tempatnya.
Together forever, forever for real. Close your eyes. We will forget what we know. Just jump in and let's go for a ride. All through the night, all through the day. Turn up the lights, show me the way. You are what I want and I want what I already got. When you come through the room, I know that you know. If you fall, I won't be there. Let's light up like the moon. Yeah, we take it off, make it even brighter. That's what I like about you. Hey, that's what I like. When you put me in the mood. Hey, that's what I like. That's what I like about you. 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 That's what I like about you.
Ini guys, di belakang saya tuh pabrik juga belakang satu. Di sini pabrik dan di sana ada view-nya. Mana. Tuh, bagus kan view-nya? Pokoknya ini buat foto sunrise bisa dicocok nih buat di dalam. Yang segini cocok banget nih. Viewsnya ilalang pokoknya Cikalong punya segalanya, mulai dari danau, gunung, curug, dan view sunset, sunrise, punya segalanya. Pokoknya buat yang belum tahu tempat wisata ini datang aja ke belakang pabrik Wanduk ya, pabrik Wanduk cocoknya kalau mau ngambil view seperti ini. Datangnya jam 5, sekitar 5-an, karena viewsnya itu biasanya datang sunset atau sunrise-nya itu jam 5 sore atau jam 5. Oke, ketemu lagi. Oke, pantang lagi kita. Oke, gue selap 2, 3. Viewnya bro.